Can you imagine? I'm the one taking care of this big shop. And they're just paying me 30,000 naira.
Yes.
And I want something that can change my life. I want to buy iPhone.
See, you don't need all this thing. I've told you before, you don't need it. I can connect you to a job that can change your life. Today.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wait, let me go and tell my boss I'm not working again.
Hey! I hear me, Temi, by me.
I no wan work again. Your shop dey open. I don see better work wey go pay me, change my life.
Hey!
Make me big girl for this town. I no want work again. Your shop dey open. Let me come tell you. If you no go lock your shop, if thief carry anything, no call me o.
Hey! I hear me, Temi, by me.
Don't dey carry me local since na.
Calm down. This is the place I want to show you. All you have to do is clear as much as you can and they will pay you 500 naira monthly. Yes.
Ah! Oja mi lára jẹ.
So you make me live and work where they pay me 30,000 naira.
No reason now. You are more than this now. By the time you finish clearing all this place, your life will change.
Change kill you there. Change kill you there. Hey, I'm not going to insult my oga. Ayele o,